Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. The Our Generation brand is celebrating 30 years this year, and they are about to drop a bunch of new stuff. If you're not familiar with Our Generation brand, it's a budget-friendly brand of 18-inch dolls and accessories. They're pretty fun, they look great, the quality is not quite as high as American Girl, but I think for the price, it's a really good deal. I've recently purchased 2 of their food sets and they're pretty good. The unboxing videos are posted on our channel. If you haven't seen them, I'll put the link to them in the description box below. But overall, for $20, this is amazing value. And they recently released this coffee shop that looks so much like Starbucks, and I'm really tempted to buy it. Anyway, if you are interested in seeing what Our Generation is releasing anytime soon, keep watching this video. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all 18-inch doll related content, including American Girl, but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. So first, let's take a look at this video that is currently posted on Our Generation official Instagram. And there's definitely a new set coming. What kind of set can it be? It actually looks a lot like their beach house that came out a few years ago. I don't know if you remember it, but it's very similar in shape. Now you see what I mean? The new set definitely looks like a recolor of the old beach house, and even the configuration of the furniture inside looks very, very similar. Now let's take a closer look at the images inside the floating hearts. And this looks like a house, right? The kitchen area, this is a sit-down area, which probably opens up into a bed. Look how cute. I actually really like it. I think this entire set is going to be pink, but this set is clearly made for little kids, so they're probably going to appreciate the pinkness of it, right? And the next video I'm about to show you also comes from Our Generation official Instagram. I am about to mute the sound though, because I don't want to get in trouble with the copyright policy on YouTube. If you want to see it with the original soundtrack, you can go to Our Generation Instagram page. The video's there. It's just some bubbly music, bubbly upbeat music in the background. And we're showing all these snippets of the new dolls. I do like Our Generation dolls. I kind of stopped collecting them because we have way too many dolls. But they're nice, and the new face mold is really cute. And apparently some of them are already available for sale on a Greek toy store website. If you can read Greek, I encourage you to poke around that website. I do not, so it was really hard to navigate, and I had this link, the link to this particular doll, but I couldn't find any other dolls. So let's take a look at them. This is the first doll I want to talk about, Addison. She reminds me of Yvette a lot. She has a very similar skin tone, and her hair looks very similar to Yvette's hair, both in color and texture. Her eyes are brown though, so she's not a complete copy of Yvette. She also doesn't have any freckles. Very pretty doll. She definitely looks like she could be a biracial character. And I think Our Generation has been doing an amazing job representing people from different ethnic backgrounds. Better than American Girl even. And this is a cute doll. I like the outfit. I like the extra accessories. So she's probably going to retail at, what, $35, right? This is what their deluxe dolls usually retail at. And it's also very likely that her arms and legs might bend. It is a cool feature, although I'm not super happy with the look. The next new doll is Andy, and she also is a part of a deluxe set. She comes with an ice cream set, which I think is very, very cute. And is it just me, or does her face look like it's a new face mold? It looks different from their new classic mold. Let me know in the comments what you think. It looks like it's a new mold to me. Anyway, so here's everything that is supposedly comes in the set. Everything's super cute, and who doesn't like ice cream? And as a child, I used to have hair bands with those things like this doll has. So it's really cute. The color scheme is very child friendly. Let's just say that. Uh, I do like her. I really do. And it comes with extra ice cream accessories that are also very cute. The next set is called Skyler and Bo. It's a doll, her dog, and some dog training accessories. And I think it's really cute. Our generation has been doing a great job with their pet line. And this, by the way, is very, very similar to what American Girl has been releasing lately. But I think our generation was doing it first. I'm talking about pets in fantasy colors. And American Girl just released a new pet spa or pet care set. And they released a puppy separately, the puppy in fantasy colors. I think our generation is doing a really good job staying on top of different trends. And I like how they trying to have the dog and the doll match. This jacket, for example, is really cute and it color coordinates with the puppy. And so does her colored hair strand. Here's another doll. This is just a plain doll, not a deluxe set, just a doll in an outfit. Her name is Abigail. And I definitely recognize that shirt with charms from the video. I think she's really cute. She's the lightest blonde, like platinum blonde, with light skin tone and brown eyes. I think it's great to have different combinations available. In the United States, the price is probably going to be $25 because that's the standard price for the dolls that are not a part of a deluxe set. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about the new releases. Let me know in the comments if you're a fan of our generation brand. And if you are, let me know which country you live in. I hear that our generation brand is more popular outside of the United States. And that would make a lot of sense because American Girl brand is not present in a lot of countries. And our generation dolls are sold worldwide. And I think the price for our generation doll is very appealing as well. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all 18-inch doll related content, but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.